It's time to eat something. I'm very hungry. Oh no, there's nothing here. Who ate everything inside the refrigerator?
You did.
Oops, I forgot. Is there something else to eat? Something very tasty?
I think there is. There was popcorn in the pantry.
I hope that they are still there. Wow! At least there is popcorn. The bag is even huge. I will prepare some.
That's too much popcorn.
That's not true. I'm very hungry. Besides, it will be delicious.
Run, Jose! Jose, are you okay? What did you do?
Perfect! It's raining popcorn. It's everything I wanted.
In that case, eat it before it falls to the floor. You see, Jose, you poured too many kernels. Now it won't stop raining popcorn. We have to fix it.
Okay, but what's wrong with a little popcorn rain?
Jose, where are you?
I'm here.
Here where? I can't see you.
Right here. I know what to do.
Very good, Jose. You were able to fix the problem.
I ate too much. I'm never eating popcorn again.
Oh, Jose.
Maybe just one.